video. I'll pause it. Welcome to another episode of the Supersonic Team again. Welcome to another episode of Micah Supersonic Team. Oh no. Again, today Pikachu gotta take a Pikachu. We are doing the Jurassic World Dino Smash and Squish. Squishy.
Can we see the actual product?
Alright,
Closer.
here's the product. Here it is.
Wow.
Also,
Is that a bone on it?
yeah, it has a bone. You need to get scissors for this.
Oh, let's see if I have enough strength. I've been working out. Pass it over here.
Right.
Oh, my goodness. There's actually a serrated thing here, perforated. So you just take it and... Oh my gosh. Well, good thing we didn't get that on camera, else it would have spoiled everything.
Shit, tripping.
So close your eyes. Don't look.
Guys, we need to edit out some stuff because my aunt is having technical
Hold it gently. There we go.
Here it is.
Further, Micah. Further.
Here it is. Should I drop it?
No, if you're going to do it, you have to do it. Micah, you're not. Do it a little bit further.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Ow! 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 Okay, I think this is all. I think that's the whole thing.
Oh.
We spent like $50 on this.
For real?
Yes.
How much did it cost?
It cost like $10, $6.
Okay. Give me the thingy real fast. Let's see. Whoa.
That actually gave me a jump scare. I can make up 919.
Hi, my name's Jeff.
Wait, is that Jeff?
Jeff is down. Jeff is down. Give me the wrapper real fast.
All right.
You're not in camera.
All right, we're gonna get some more dinosaurs that I have and do a role play with this.
Okay, but guess what? So look, you can collect 4 of these. Oh my goodness. Jeff just attacked the camera. You got the Pyroraptor.
My name Jeff.
You're still not in camera. When you stand, you're not in camera, Micah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then... Wow, Jeff needs to be trained. Where's Tyson? Call Tyson over.
Go to heaven, my boy!
Ouch! Tyson, come look at Jeff. Come on, go look at Jeff. Can you teach him how to be trained?
Go to heaven, my boy! Go to heaven, my boy!
Hi. Oh, Tyson's gonna go get Jeff.
Run, my boy. Alright, welcome to our low-budget avatar. We're using dinosaurs. We couldn't afford voice actors, so it's just me and my aunt. It's gonna be pretty bad, guys.
And we couldn't afford
we
couldn't afford actual actors, so we hired dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, we also did that.
Yeah.
And just so you know, this guy's gonna be the avatar. He's the Avatar. Jeff is the Avatar.
My name Jeff.
He's gonna pop out of nowhere like my name's Jeff. All right. Episode 1. The Rocky Rumble.
There once was 4 nations.
Fire, air, water, and earth.
Everything was peaceful, but then
The Fire Nation attacked. Boom, boom, boom. Dun, dun, dun. The Fire Leader, the last Fire Nation, the last of the Fire Nation, his family got lost in a hike and they all died. So he did not see that. So he thought the other nations were the one who caused it. And then the Fire Nation attacked. Earth was doing the best they could do, sending in rocks and bones, but the Fire Nation was too much for them.
here comes water.
Fire! Obsidian! Oh no!
Water sheet wall.
And the last one left, air. They took down fire. Well, at least could take them out of the area is all they could do. And fire was out of this world.
Wow. Was that yeeted to a different galaxy? Well, I guess fire lost this time.
Is everyone
Hi,
good?
my name's Jeff.
No, not yet.
Where's the Fire Nation?
Not yet. He's gonna come in later. That's the last of my body, my veins. I'm dead. Well, I'm kind of dead, but bleh. I'm dead.
This is the graveyard, I guess.
My gut. No, you're not dead.
Oh.
But that was the last of my abilities. My guy literally turned my water into obsidian and then I died. Oh my god. Oh.
I don't know what that's gonna.
Guess what I have as a new weapon. Whoa.
Wow, the air nomads are.
Jeff.
Jeff, are you the Avatar?
Hello, Jeff. Where's the Fire Nation? They died.
We yeeted them to a different galaxy.
Well, I yeeted them to a different galaxy because they attacked. They attacked who? Be more specific, my guy.
He was yeeted to Earth.
Did you just fly? Yeah, I could use fire. Water. And earth. Ow. And you took my bone.
No.
Actually, that's our weapon. Hey, are you guys benders? I'm a water bender. I'm an earth bender. I'm an earth bender. You already said that, but okay, my little dude. I'm an airbender.
Wow.
Bro, you knocked down my toes.
How do your toes get knocked down? Exactly?
No, exactly, bro. Could you tell me, what are your toes? It looks like you don't even have, it looks like your feet are not
Actually, what is wrong with his toes?
Yeah, it looks like his feet are not separated.
Like, those are
Like,
some
what the
suspicious looking
heck, my
toes.
bro? Why are we even admiring his toes? This is weird.
The Avatar must have nice toes.
That's the point of him. Alright, so many years later, it was a happy town. The earthbenders were building back the village. Put in the rock stuff. They were building back the village. And they got some new walls. Not like that. The air, earth, and water benders were all relaxing. Whoa. There was only one earthbender working with Jeff. Yay! It's such a happy day. And then the Fire Nation came with a blast! Wait, no. The Fire Nation guy has to come now.
Oh.
What? He's back? I am now the Avatar, being able to use air and fire. You know there's other elements too, my guy, water and earth. But I'm still the Avatar, an ugly one. Fire!
What? Hi, my name's Jeff. I am the real Avatar.
I am the real Avatar. Die, my guy! Earth. What? Water. Air. Lift you up in the air. Fire! My guy is using regular combat right now.
Air attack.
Earth! Water! Fire! Obsidian! Earth! You killed my family. I will not let you destroy my species. The bone. Ah.
They're not on the camera.
The bone.
Fire! Fireball!
Until the last of them.
That's not on the camera.
Until the last of the benders were left injured and almost dead.
Poor things.
It was Jeff left with the Fire Nation. Mommy! Watch it on YouTube instead. Watch it on YouTube yourself. Until it was the last fight. A 1v1. Hey bro, what's wrong with your ugly toes? What's wrong with your dead family, bro?
No, we're not putting that in. Redo it, Micah. We're not putting that in. Huh? Why would you say that? That's horrible. You can say something nice. It's not horrible. You can say something funny. It doesn't have to be horrible.
Bro, what's wrong with your toes? Bro, what's wrong with your brain? What's wrong with your... Why you so short, my guy? I'd be mad if I was 5'6"
5'6" That was the big giant water wave. Oh my gosh.
Turn the camera. Turn the camera. My last of my abilities be casted on your soul. Hey bro, do you watch Taylor Swift? Yeah, she's overrated. Yeah, she's overrated by so much. Well, you can hit me now. Yeah, she's really overrated though. Is Billie Eilish overrated? Not that much.
Wait, is this a conversation between Fire Nation and the Avatar?
Yeah, pretty much. My guy, do you think that BTS is overrated? If there's no BTS e-girls anymore, then they won't be overrated. Oh yeah, there's like a bunch of them on TikTok. I had to fight some in an argument on Instagram last week. Hey, wait, bro, how do you have a phone? You're telling me, wait, do you have a house? Because if you accidentally do one thing, it's destroyed. Yeah, I know, but we're in a fight right now. Mommy, could you stop watching it? What is going on?
They're not on the camera. The longer it is, the harder it is to edit.
What? I can't see anything. What is going on? Make it look like there's dust everywhere. Right. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, dun, dun.
Did he just get yeeted to yet another galaxy?
By the way, my name's Jeff. You took my food source. And now you gave my 800-million-year-old dog diabetes. Bro, we didn't steal your food source. The Vikings did. What's a Viking? My God, do you have school? You don't know what a Viking is? There's those things with the weird hats and like Among Us. Oh, those things? Yeah. What just happened right here? Like, you just had a fight that's gonna cost you like $8,000 in cash. With dollar bills in cash for destroying all of this. And this is all for an episode of Micah Supersonic Team. Remember, we're gonna mic again. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss another video again. Bye!